we are going to save playlist of other channel to our watch later. Now let's type the channel here. Let's type Team Video. Then now click on its profile. Okay, now let's go to their playlist. Team Video has lots of playlists here, and I'm going to choose this playlist. Okay, there you go. So Team Video has 13 videos. So at the bottom of this, click one video that is not included to the playlist. So click add to queue, and then you can see it is added to the queue. And now at the top right here, you can see save. Click on save. Okay, now you can see the watch later, so click on that. Okay, then just close it. Okay, it is now added to your watch later. The left side, click on your profile picture, then your channel, and then click on library. And now you can see the 13 videos of Team Video is now added to your watch later. And then click watch later, and then now you can see Team Videos playlist is now added here. Okay, click play all. Okay, so it's here already. You can now enjoy Team Video playlist, and let's give them a like and subscribe with bell button. Okay, they have different videos there, like mukbangs, also toy experiment and adventures. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell button for more tutorial videos. Thank you so much.